Let me show you how you can take your skin from this to this in just a few minutes in the comfort of your own home. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Creamery, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you on how to keep your skin nourished and also keep it glowing by doing a facial in the comfort of your own home. Take a Lot has sent me some amazing products that I will be using for today. Stay tuned and let's get started. The first product I'll be using is the Creamery Facial Cleansing Powder. It is best to remove makeup impurities and it also gently exfoliates the skin. I'm going to pour a coin-sized amount of the deep cleansing powder onto the palm of my hand, and I'm going to mix it with a bit of water just to activate the magic dust. Gently work the scrub into your skin for 30 to 40 seconds, then rinse with water. The next product I'm going to be using is the Neutrogena Skin Detox Hydrogel Mask. After exfoliating my skin, it definitely needs some replenishment, and this mask is perfect for that. Leave the face mask on for 15 minutes, then massage the rest of the product into your skin. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to be using the Garnier Even and Matte Vitamin C Booster Serum. I personally love serums. This one will help to fade dark marks and it will also brighten your skin. And finally, to lock in all the goodness and hydrate my skin, I'm going to be using the Clinique Superdefense Night Recovery Moisturiser. The moisturizer helps repair damage from exposure to environmental aggressors. When it comes to the moisturizer, do not forget to drag the product down to your neck. And that's how you can achieve a glowy skin in just a couple of minutes in the comfort of your own home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget that each and every product that I use today, you can find it on takealot.com, and also do not forget to follow Beauty Base for some more awesome tutorials.